Hi guys, welcome to Chefe's kitchen. It's really bright here. Let me just relook. No, but I like the light. Okay, now we're talking. So we're really gonna cook today. We're gonna cook. This is my first like video, and I don't know how I feel about it already. This is my hand is really hurting. It's about 20 seconds. My hand's hurting, but we move. We are going to be making, chicken, beef, and prawn alfredo pasta. I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we have. Okay, so we have pasta. We're using penne. Penne. We've got, is this upside down? Yeah. We've got diced beef. Don't worry about this. This is for something else that we're working on. So we'll just cover that back up. We have got chicken breast fillet portions, the whole one. Look, farm and stores. What does that mean? I think it's what's that thing that everyone likes? Free range. Get free range chicken, right? Is that just eggs? I think it's, I don't know. We've got king prawns peeled, ready cooked, just defrost and heat. Yeah, so we got king prawns, got the cooked ones. Then we got double cream, we got cream cheese, we got parmesan, the grated one. We got grated parmesan. We also got the not grated parmesan. What's parmesan shavings? Then for seasoning, we have crushed chilies, extra hot. We got dark soy sauce. We got 4 Maggi cubes. I'm probably gonna add 2 more to that. We've got Cajun seasoning. We've got come on, pay attention, garlic granules, all-purpose seasoning, and table salt. 3 bowls, you know, we got some knives here. We got the big daddy knife, and we have my new logo. Look, Without further ado, let's get into teaching you how to make the chicken, beef, and prawn alfredo pasta. We're gonna be learning together. We're gonna be making this together. This is my first time making it too. Your first time making it. Let's make it together, okay? Okay, so I've already gone ahead and washed all the meat off camera because I'm sure you guys know how to wash meat. I'm gonna cut up the chicken into edible pieces, and then we're gonna season it. So let's go over to the cooking station. I'm gonna cut up the chicken and then I'll show you how I season it. Wet these up a little bit so that they can be I can devein them, because look, no one wants to eat prawn poo. We're gonna take our little paring knife. Well, literally all you do is, there's only a small little poo in that one, just scoop it right out. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. If anyone knows, you know, feel free to share. If you don't notice pooping it after I posted the video, don't tell me, because I've already eaten it and I don't care. Now we've de-pooped all the prawns, let's get into the seasoning. Usually what we would do is we marinate overnight, but I just bought this stuff like an hour ago, so yeah. We're gonna season it, then while it's seasoning we'll put the pasta on to boil. So it's really going to be seasoned for about 5 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to add some salt, which is just a dash of salt. I wish I had measurements for you, but I don't. That's a dash. Then a dash of what is this? Garlic granules. Dash of garlic granules. Honestly, I always just do my own actual thing with these recipes. Like, we're gonna add a Maggi cube. Let's add some chili. This meal isn't going to be hot. I usually like my food hot, but it ain't going to be hot. And then, oh yeah, Cajun. The recipe that I got this from, she added Cajun to every single thing. I actually don't remember the recipe right now in my head, so I'm just winging it. And we're going to hope for the best. Whew. I think I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Oh, damn it. Achoo! Bless me. And again. Achoo! Guys, make sure that when you sneeze into your arm, okay? Like this. You don't sneeze all over the food like a dirty person, okay? You don't sneeze into your hand because then you have to go and wash your hand. If you sneeze into, like that, easy peasy, done. So our beef has all the seasoning in it right now. I'm gonna shake it up to mix it. I'm gonna set you up so you can see how I mix it, because I don't like to use my hands. Okay, so this is how I mix it. Yeah? You just... Oh. Whoops. You just tip it ever so slightly. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Kitchen fail number 1. Now we're gonna move to the chicken. We're literally seasoning it exact same. What we're gonna do?
Salt. I'm really always bad with salt. What is this? Cajun. Garlic. All-purpose seasoning.
All of this is a dash. That's my measurement. Add a dash of it. Just the dash. And a Maggi cube. And we mix. It's not really cooperating. Let me get a spoon. Prawns. I don't remember what she did. Honestly, if you ever find that recipe that I made it from, it's not the... I don't know what she did.
I'm sure she added this thing. Cajun. Garlic. Whoops.
And I'll add a Maggi for the culture. There's something green in this. I'm gonna... You can't run away. I'm gonna add something. Oregano. Here we go. Is it oregano or oregano? Because I feel like my American counterparts say oregano. I feel like everyone else says oregano. Or it's probably just me. Now we are going to go over to the stove. All those that don't have to cook pasta, let's kick off this video right now. That is smelling sweet. If only you can smell this. What the heck? So you don't eat pink chicken. Look, once it's done, I'm gonna show you thoroughly cooked chicken. So I know some of you uni babes are just out here poisoning these man them. Listen.
Gotta cook it thoroughly. Understand? Listen to me. Thoroughly.
You don't want well done beef that's all chewy and that. You're gonna cook it like 4 minutes. I'm making alfredo sauce. We're using the same pan because we're saving the environment. So I have absolutely no measurements for this Alfredo sauce, and this is my first time making it, and I don't actually know what I'm doing. So we move. I'm gonna add butter. Well, this is, yeah, this is butter. It's close enough to butter. Now we're gonna add the cream cheese. I don't know what Oz is. Pints. I'm gonna go with, this is 1 Oz. You know what, yeah? How much? Hey Siri. How much is 4 Oz in grams?
4 ounces is 113.4 grams.
Oh, it's ounces, guys. For everyone that was confused. This is 200 grams. I should just add the whole thing in it.
This is 113.4 grams.
Yeah. Yeo Valley double cream. Guys, I don't think I have enough. Oh well. I think I needed 1 whole pint. I have half a pint. Oh god. This is the real internet of the kitchen. Don't let them lie to you. Don't let them lie to you. We're gonna add the grated one. That looks about right. You gotta let it melt in, understand? Gonna add the pasta. It's got the Alfredo distin on it. Now let's add all of the meats. The peng sauce in that. It's really gonna coat the Alfredo, you know? Don't listen to me, I don't have any clue what I'm talking about. We have finished our chicken, beef and shrimp Alfredo. But I'm gonna show you the, let me mix it so it looks a bit better than this. Hold on. I tell you everything that I did wrong that you should not do, and then I'm gonna list an actual recipe down below so you can go and check it out. Here is our chicken Alfredo featuring all the fallen soldiers. As you can see, there's not a lot of Alfredo sauce. Now this is because I didn't buy the right amount of double cream. It's paying, I don't care, no one can tell me nothing. Alright guys, so that was the chicken, beef and shrimp Alfredo. I'm currently crouched on the floor because I can't bother to adjust all the lighting, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna now attempt to plate it and then I'll show you the plated result. Right guys, here's my attempt at plating my Alfredo. I added some oregano and Parmesan to make it look a little bit more exotic, but I tried. One day I'll learn how to actually plate foods. Please, someone teach me. If you know how to plate food, you know anyone that knows how to plate food, teach me. I'm willing to learn. Alright, so guys, that has been Chefe's Kitchen making chicken, beef and shrimp Alfredo. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time making it. Follow me on Instagram, Chefes_kitchen. Subscribe to the channel. I know every YouTuber. Subscribe to the channel. You know, let's get the subscribers up. This is my first video. So after that, on the comments, comment what you want to see. Like, what do you want me to make? You know, I'm really gonna try those challenges. The I only eat pink foods for a day. I only eat. I'm gonna try that and only like cook with a color food. So comment a color and comment what you want me to make. But yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. This has been Chefe's Kitchen, and if you recreate it, make sure you send it to me. DM me on Insta. If you have me on Snap, snap me and show me that you created it. And yeah, have a great day. Eat well, eat healthy, eat right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.